disastrous. Like she was complaining yesterday, and I'm wondering that is it possible that Loma didn't actually go there for a whole month? Because she said to the entire December they weren't there. So January now they haven't seen them at all, and they usually see them come around those places and pick up the waste, but now they don't see them again.
The standard for waste collection is for operators to go there once weekly. But because one of the things that we are promoting is the innovation in waste management. Waste management has gone beyond the linearity concept that we used to do, where we collect the waste, we transport it, and dispose immediately. This boils down to the fact that we are trying to tell everybody, due to the cosmopolitan nature of the state, where you know that if you collect waste, the end point is where you are going to dispose it to. Presently, because of the population and the need for us to bring innovativeness into waste management, we are looking into the concept of material recovery facilities as well as transfer loading station. This points to the fact that this MRF and transfer loading station are the new drive in solid waste management almost everywhere in the world today. You find where people, we need to sort waste, right? You need to sort your waste,
Yes.
separate it so that when I came into your premises here, I could see recyclables there.
Yes.
That means there is something unique that you are doing here, which you also need to publicize to the people. But can we have failures in some places? Yes, that is not disputed at all. There could be failures, but the main thing is we need to have immediate response to it. That's why we advocate almost everywhere that we have a direct response line from LAWMA, because we are dealing with PSPs. PSPs are private support initiatives in
Okay.
solid waste management. In Lagos State, we generate over 13,000 metric tons of waste daily, and we are talking of the equipment that you need to satisfy this effectively. Almost everywhere is growing up. I'm sure in your street, what your street was in 1 year ago is not what it is today again. Development is coming in
Every time.
due to the Teams Plus blueprint of the Lagos State government. And as more people are coming, the dump sites that these waste are going is not increasing in size. More so, Lagos, due to its nature, we are mostly surrounded by waters. So we need to change the narrative from going to the dump site every time. The
Okay.
narrative is to return back to sorting of waste from source. When you sort
Okay.
waste from source, you make money from it. I'm sure you must have been hearing of waste to wealth, waste to wealth.
Yeah.
What is this waste to wealth? The waste to wealth lies in me and you doing what is right, not going out and say, oh, everywhere is dirty, let us bring the waste to the media. A lot. Imagine all the PET bottles I found here now. If you have taken all these PET bottles to the media, I'm sure you will know what you are going to report in the state.
Yeah.
So somebody complaining that PSPs have not been there in 1 month. We can never be absolute in all of this. Patronize your PSPs. Wait for the PSPs to come. If the PSPs fails to come accordingly at the agreed time and schedule, please escalate to the number that I just reeled out.
Okay. Let's
So
hear the
this will
number
help
again.
people. 070-80-60-1020.